Next one is 2016 Prime 6. Gonna have one auto in this one. One auto, one pack, 6 total cards. 2016 Prime 6. Empty box. Alright. Try to figure out where the hit is. I think it's that backwards one right there. I'll sneak that to the back. 2016 Prime 6. Got a LaDainian Tomlinson base card on front. Base cards are not numbered. Darren McFadden base for the Cowboys. Numbered one, parallel Allen Hurns for the Jaguars out of 149. Allen Hurns for the Jags out of 149. Oh, nice. Barry Sanders icons. Insert. Nice one. Out of 100. That's a nice looking card. Barry Sanders out of 100. Real nice. Isaiah Crowell. I think this one's just a base card. Yep. Isaiah Crowell for the Browns base. And the hit going to be for, who is that? Noah Spence. Noah Spence. Does this have the NFL team? Eastern Kentucky University. Not sure on the NFL team. Not the greatest card, though. Noah Spence. Not sure who's going to get that one. Defensive end. Eastern Kentucky. Yep. Somebody will get that one. Noah Spence. Eastern Kentucky.